In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up online ordering for your restaurant. At Selflane, we offer commission-free online ordering and a modern point-of-sale system for restaurants of all sizes. Using Selflane, any restaurant can start offering online ordering in a matter of hours. You can either log in with your Gmail account or sign up with your email address. Creating a business profile is easy. If your business is already on Google, simply enter the name and your restaurant information will be pre-filled. Check for accuracy and click Create a Business. Now we can start building your menu. Menus are defined in a 3-tier structure. First, create one or more menus such as breakfast or lunch. If this menu is only offered at certain times, enable Special Schedule and choose the dates and times this menu is valid. Second, we'll add courses such as appetizers, entrees, or desserts. Optionally, you can also assign a profit and loss group to facilitate reporting. Next, we'll add dishes. Type in your menu items, enter the price, choose what menus this dish is available in, and what course they belong in. Selflane point-of-sale customers can also choose which parts of the kitchen should be notified by the printer to fire this dish. To speed up entry, just hit the down arrow to add a new item. If some of your dishes have modifiers, you can add them easily. For example, here we have a dish with multiple sizes. We add 3 options for the sizes and assign price increases to the medium and large size. When customers select those sizes, the price would be adjusted accordingly. After finishing your menu, all you have to do is tell us about your business. Select the Payments setting in the side menu. Click Create Payout Account. Indicate whether your restaurant is taxed as a company or an individual. For companies, you will need to provide the legal name, phone number, EIN or tax ID, and address. To expedite processing, please make sure to double-check accuracy of the information. Finally, please upload a picture of the restaurant's business license. This is used to verify the business as a qualified restaurant. Restaurants are typically verified within a few hours. You'll be notified by email when the process is complete. To get a link to your online ordering, click on the Profile menu. You can use this link in your Google profile, website, and on social media. Selflane is proud to offer commission-free online ordering for all restaurants. Additionally, you can unlock more features by subscribing to our point-of-sale system. Learn more at www.selflane.com.